Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MIUI version and that the Fonts or Themes app is available. This matters because later steps rely on system support. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan to use a PC tool, and make a quick backup of your current font and theme. This protects you if something breaks. Next, gather the iOS font file, often San Francisco, and a compatible installer method for MIUI so you can apply it safely. You convert the iOS San Francisco font into a MIUI-compatible format, such as a TTF, or package it as an MTZ theme. Conversion ensures correct glyph mapping. Then use the theme editor or a trusted third-party installer. Root or Magisk may be required for system-level replacement. The tool writes files into /system or overlay folders. After installation, apply the theme, reboot to finalize system caches, and check fonts in settings so you confirm consistent glyph rendering across apps. You now complete the process by clearing any font cache and performing a final reboot to ensure every app loads the new glyphs. This fixes most alignment issues. If the system UI misbehaves, restore your backup or uninstall the font package immediately to recover. For long-term stability, prefer a Magisk module or an OTA-friendly theme method so future MIUI updates won't overwrite fonts. This prevents boot loops and keeps your custom font persistent. One tip: always keep the backup until you confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.